Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change URL of pages in WordPress. There is also a link in the description to get started with a free account. So let's get started. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is go to our home page. And then suppose I want to change URL of this test page. So I'm going to head to the test page and then I'm going to click on edit page. Now, after clicking on the edit page, we are going to find an option called link, and this is the option that we are going to click. So after clicking link, if we change this link right over here, so I'm going to change this test page to, and I'm going to close this window, and then I'm going to click on save. Now, as you can see, page has been updated and the link is now actually test page 2. So let's go ahead and try out our newly saved link. So here I have typed down the newly saved link of the page. And as you can see, it's taking me to the page link that I've just edited. So guys, you can change your URL of pages in WordPress just like this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.